Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Angela. Today's video is kind of just going to be a little, I guess, a vlog type style type video slash life update. Before we get into that video though, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I do post every single week and I would love for you to join our YouTube family. With that being said, I just kind of wanted to hop on here and talk to you guys for a little bit. Sorry about the angle. I am currently in California, still visiting my family for the holidays, and I did not bring my Nikon. I'm actually filming with my iPhone. I got a new iPhone. It was kind of my Christmas gift to myself while I was here because I really needed a new iPhone. So I kind of wanted to update you guys on a couple things channel-wise, life-wise, because if you've been following me for a while, a lot of you used to tell me you loved my vlogs. I used to do weekly vlogs and I stopped doing that for a reason. My old iPhone, actually, the last model I had before the newest one that I just got, which is the most recent version, I just got the iPhone Max XS because I do post on social media a lot. But I had the iPhone 6 Plus and it was just, everything was going out. The volume was going out. The battery life was horrible. It was freezing on me. And then also too, the sensor in my camera broke. So it was really like shaky when I would record anything or even take any photos. So it's been really hard to be consistent on social media. And that's why I stopped vlogging, probably in the past, like 3 or 4 months or so, because I used to vlog with my iPhone. But I'm super excited because hopefully I can start vlogging again and posting more regularly because I have an iPhone. And I think I'm going to be maybe posting, I don't know if I'm going to, I know I'm going to film my vlogs with my iPhone, but I don't know if I'm going to continue to film my beauty videos with my Nikon or use this one because I'm looking in the viewfinder and I mean, it looks pretty good quality. And unfortunately with my MacBook, my iMovie, what is it? When I went to load in my last couple of videos, it kind of alerted me that it was no longer going to accept the Nikon files. So just depending, the Nikon is definitely better quality for like beauty videos. So as long as it still accepts that video, then I'm going to continue to film on that probably. But if not, at least I have my iPhone. So there's that. But I just kind of wanted to update you guys because I really, really miss vlogging. And I know you guys said you've missed my vlogs. So I will be vlogging more in 2019. So I'm super excited about that. I don't know what happened. I just completely, I don't know, lost my train of thought. But I was trying to think of a good like video idea. I was going to do like what I got for Christmas, all that stuff, but I kind of feel weird doing that. Maybe I can film that and post that when I get back to California. But I just feel weird doing that. Also, I completely forgot one of the main reasons I made this update video was to apologize for not posting this past week on Thursday because I was initially supposed to get my iPhone earlier in the week and I just wasn't able to. There were some issues. So that's why I wasn't able to post. So I just kind of wanted to let you guys know that I'm still going to be posting every single week for the most part. I'm sure I'll miss some weeks every once in a while because I am a human being, but I plan to stay consistent and be posting every single week here on this channel. I also thought that I would give you guys a little update in my health because I have not talked about my health for a really long time on here. Some of you might know, or if you're new to my channel, maybe you don't know, but I have been struggling with some digestive issues, lots of digestive issues for the past year. I actually started my journey and found out that I had SIBO last March. So it's been almost a year since I found out. SIBO is a digestive disorder, basically where your bacteria is all screwed up. You have more bad bacteria in your gut than good bacteria. And it just makes it really hard for the body to digest food. I mean, it's different for everybody, but I've been on a really restrictive diet for the past year. But I will say some good news is that I finally feel like the treatment that I've been doing has finally been starting to pay off, specifically in this past month. And it's really funny what they say when, they say that things get really, really bad before they start to get better. And I genuinely believe that because what was it? Was it in October? Yeah, it was in October. So a couple of months ago, my digestive issues had gotten really, really bad. It didn't matter what I ate. I was really, really backed up. Sorry for the TMI. But I'm real on my channel, so that's just how it is. But basically with my digestive issues, I struggled with chronic constipation, which is very, very miserable. And it didn't matter what I ate. So I started changing the way it didn't matter what I ate, but I did go to a restrictive diet. And if I was really, really restrictive, it was helping. But the second I would eat something, even if it was healthy, if it was, something that had like wheat in it or any type of carb or even certain fruits and vegetables, I would just get completely backed up and be miserable. And I can't remember if I told you guys this or not. I don't think I did, because I know there were a couple months where I was not posting consistently this past year. And it pretty much was because of the digestive issues that I was going through, because they were significantly getting worse and I was just really, really miserable. And I just felt like everything I was doing was a lot to take on and I needed to step back and just take care of myself for a little bit. But basically in October, I don't know if this is TMI, but I hope that this can help somebody, but I noticed that I could feel like these like lumps in my lower abdomen, and it really scared me. And I could see them too. Like I could visually see them, and they were very tender to the touch. It really hurt. And I kind of like, I noticed this like late one evening, and I kind of wrote it off, and I was like, well, I'm not really sure what that is. I was like, maybe I'm just really constipated. And so I went to bed, I went to work the next day, and it just started to get worse. And I struggle with anxiety, so I started to freak out a little bit, and I called my boss and I was like, I'm really sorry, but like I have to go. So I work at a spa. I opened the spa, and I called my boss after I got it open, and I was like, I'm sorry, like I have to go to the emergency room, because I was freaking out. So I went to the emergency room, had all these tests done, and it turns out I was right. I was just really chronically constipated. And I've done everything humanly possible to try and relieve this, seeing a naturopath, taking antibiotics, taking, herbal antibiotics, doing colonics on a regular basis, so many things. So it was really discouraging and just also really scary too. They told me you're just really constipated when I was at the emergency room. They said, but it's really bad. Like you need to get this under control. And then I don't know what the shift was. But after that, they gave me some liquid to drink that, completely flushed me out. So I had to get colonics that week, that week that I went to the emergency room, like 3-4 days in a row to really clear myself out. And after that, there was just some really big shift in my digestive system. I'm not really sure what it was, but a really positive one. Things just started to be settling better in my stomach. And when I talked to my colonics girl, she's amazing. She basically was like, it really could have been, years and years of backup. And a lot of times when things are about to get better, they get worse first. So basically, I feel like my body's finally starting to let go of everything it's been holding on to. Because if you guys don't know, I've struggled with chronic constipation for 6 years. And there's definitely been a massive shift, a good shift, since all of that really negative stuff happened in October. So that's kind of where I'm at with that. I'm trying to think if there's any other update that I want to talk about. I don't really have any other updates. I'm not going to talk about New Year's resolutions or anything. I think I'm going to make a separate video for that. But yeah, I kind of just wanted to hop on here, give you guys an explanation as to why I didn't post this week, why I haven't been vlogging, the changes that are going to be coming in 2019. I'm really excited for this year because 2018 was a really, really hard year. It was really one of those years where I felt like, well, it's still 2018, but this year has been one of those years in my life, definitely the hardest year of my life, where it's felt like everything humanly possible has gone wrong. And God, the universe, whatever you believe in, has really been testing me. And I feel like things are finally starting to look up. So if you are going through a tough time in your life, if you can relate at all to anything I've talked about in this video, not even digestive wise, just going through tough times, I hope that this video comforted you in some way, because we all go through it. And I know that when I watch videos like this of people that I follow on social media, it helps remind me that I'm not the only one. We're all human beings. We all go through tough times. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and just know that if you're going through something similar, a hard time, 2019 is a new year, new opportunities, new goals to work on, new things to look forward to. Even though some days it may not feel like it, things will get better. Because I'll tell you, this year, there were so many days that I cried, so many days that I thought, is this ever going to get better? And obviously I still have my days I'm a human being, but it has gotten so much better. So just hang in there, know that you're not alone. And then as always, I love you guys and I will see you guys in the next video.